Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save TikTok draft videos to phone gallery. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Start by launching TikTok and open a draft section from your profile page. Select the draft you want to download. There is no way to directly download the video here, but what we can do is set this video to private and then upload it with the Save to Device option enabled. This will upload the TikTok video privately to your profile where no one can see it, and it will trigger the download of your video to your device. Now we can check the downloaded TikTok video. We will go to our gallery. And here you go. This is the downloaded TikTok video. Once that's done, you can go back to your profile page and delete the private video we just uploaded. And that draws an end to this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.